So hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to tell you how can you edit your photos for your business, online business on Amazon or eBay, on Flipkart or any other e-commerce websites. So as you can see on my left side, there is an image by clicked by a simple mobile phone, and I have converted that image into like this. You can see on right side. So let's get started. So here we are in Photoshop. Yeah, I know that you don't have Photoshop and the software is too costly, but there is another option you can use. Basically in the whole video I'm going to use Photoshop, but there is a online Photoshop you can use that. So there is a website which is same as like Photoshop. So just you have to go to your browser and type here Photoshop here, and then click on this first website. And don't worry, I will give a link for this website in my description. So just go to file here and click on this new. Then you can use your own size here. You can give any size. So basically I will give 1080 by 1080. Then just click on this create button. So here you have your size. So right now I'm using browser, but here is my Photoshop. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, I'm going to bring my image here. I have only a video here. I don't have any image. So I will take a screenshot from here. So I will press Control and print screen. Then I come to Photoshop, and just you have to take a new size here as well, 1080 by 1080, and I will click on create button. Then you can press Ctrl V to paste the image. Yeah, that's it. And for the move the image, you have to select this move tool. There is a tool, all the tools are here. So if you are using this Photoshop first time, you can see here the tools are here, and you don't have to see my whole screen, just you have to follow the step. The whole interface is different from yours, so just don't waste your time to just like do that. Just you have to see the step. First of all, you have to select pen tool to crop your object. Then you have to go this path and choose this path. There is a two option available, shape and path. So you have to select path. Then start from anywhere. So I will start from here, below part. Then you have to click, then click, hold your mouse, then move. Then come here. For the free hand, you can use your space bar to move like this. Press space bar and click your mouse and move. So if you do any wrong selection like this, so press Ctrl Z to undo. So my selection is done. Then what you have to do, just click on this selection and hit OK. Then you will get this like selection moving. Then what you have to do, just select your layer. Make sure you have selected your layer here. So just go to edit and copy, then go to edit and paste. So here you see, and just hide this layer. We don't need this as of now. Now select your layer, this one. Go to selection, click on all, go to move tool. You will see here the tools, alignment tools. Now click on this center alignment and click on this center. So now your product is center aligned. Now go to select and click on this deselect. Perfect. So here we have done the half. Now we will work on the reflection and shadows. Create a new layer from here, this plus icon. Go to brush tool. So if you hold your mouse on the tools, so you will see the names. So select brush tool. Then click on this white color, whatever you have here, just click on that and choose black color. Then you have selected your brush tool, so you have to click here on your canvas, right click. Don't click left, just right click and decrease the size, and hardness should be 0. Or you can see the default brush here, the first one. Just make sure your hardness is 0. Then one click. So you will get this black dot. Then go to edit, click on this free transform. Then zoom it and do like this. So if your image are resizing like this, so what you have to do, just resize and press shift. So it will resize like this. So here we have created the shadow, but it's not looks good. So just select your product image. Now right click and click on this duplicate layer. Hit OK. Then go to edit and click on this free transform again. Right click on it and click on this flip vertical. Then drag this here. Hit enter. Then select your layer. Go to erase tool. Then you have to right click and make sure your hardness is 0. And size, we need a little large size here. This much is fine. Now just remove from below part like this. So here we are doing this for reflection. If you don't need reflection, just don't follow this step. Now I will decrease the opacity of this layer. So we need only 20%. Yeah, this much is looks fine. Or 30%. Yeah, perfect. Now you have to select all the layers. So just select the top layer, then press shift, then last layer. Yeah. Now press select move tool and put it here. Just like this. And now our work's done, I guess. So if you need any color correction in your photo, just you have to select this layer, your product image, and go to this icon, and you can choose brightness if you need to little increase your brightness or any color difference or any vibrance. Just I will choose these options for examples. So if you need a color for product image, so you can use this vibrance like this, but I will suggest don't use too much. It will be looks like very odd. Just I am going to delete this, and I will use a little brightness here. And one more thing, you have to click on this icon. So yeah, and my reflection is not looks good to me, so I will give here 50, and this is too much, 40. Yes, fine. And if you want more detail here, just you have to give a gradient in background. So how you can do, just select your layer, unlock it, go to this icon FX and click on this gradient overlay. So here we have to give a black and white gradient. So click on this panel, you can reset your default settings. So I will reset to default, so it will be look like this. So just click on this gradient, go to basic and choose black and white color. So whatever this option is coming, just select that, hit OK. So now click on this linear and choose radial. Then our gradient is not coming here, so just click on this reset alignment and increase the scale property here, just like this. And you have to decrease the opacity. I think that is not a black color here, so just click on this black. Now decrease the opacity. How much do you want? Just like this. And I don't want too much here, just a little bit of black and white, like this. Yeah, looks good to me. Hit OK. So yeah, we have this image right now. All right, so if you want a fully white color, just don't use this gradient, so you will get only white. And it's time to save this image, so go to file and click on this save a copy. So where you want to save? Just I want to save in desktop. Then click on this Photoshop, this returned, and you can choose any JPEG file or PNG file. So PNG format is better for quality. So if you want any JPEG, you can click on JPEG. So I will choose PNG here, and you can use any name here. Then click on OK, and I will tell you a option for online Photoshop. Yeah, so if you want to save your project, go to file and click on this export as, and here is the option PNG and JPEG. So you can click on this PNG and quality will be 100%, and just you have to click on this save button. Then if you want to save JPEG, so same option, go to export as and JPEG, and quality will be 100%, and then click on this save. So that's it. So that is all, and I hope you really enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe this channel. I will meet you in the next video. Until take care and thank you so much.